Today we have an exciting device to talk about. It's the Vivo V27e, and we'll be diving deep into its features, performance, and overall user experience. Hi, it's Joy from Funtouch, Kenya. First impressions matter, and the Vivo V27e doesn't disappoint in terms of design and build quality. The device features a matte plastic body which feels sturdy in hand. The placement of buttons, ports, and fingerprint sensor is convenient and well thought out. Moving on to the display, the Vivo V27e boasts a 6.62-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080x2400 pixel and 120Hz refresh rate. Additionally, the touch response is smooth and accurate, enhancing the overall user experience. When it comes to performance, the Vivo V27e shines. Powered by a Mediatek Helio G99 processor and 8GB RAM. This device also offers ample storage in two variations, the 128GB and 256GB internal storage. The camera is one of the key features we look for in a smartphone, and the Vivo V27e delivers impressive results. It features a triple rear camera with 64MP wide, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth sensor. It also has a 32MP wide selfie camera that captures stunning photos and supports various modes to enhance your photos. The Vivo V27e packs a 4500 mAh battery that offers all-day usage on a single charge. Alongside is a 66 watts fast charging system. This device runs on Android 13 Funtouch 13 OS, which enhances overall usability and productivity of the device. So, if you want to get this phone, you can head over to our physical store at the Bazaar Plaza Mezzanine 1 Unit 5, or you can place your order at our website www.phoneplayskenya.com today.